Hey everyone, it's me, Van. Happy New Year, guys. I took a little break for 2019, but I'm back and I will be uploading every week. So if you like to see how I achieve these cotton candy eyes and this pink look, then keep on watching. Oh, if you'd like to know how I achieve this super simple ponytail, then check out my Instagram. I'll link it below right here, Makeup by Van. And I uploaded like a 1-minute video on how I achieved this look. I won't be posting it on YouTube because it's so easy. It's like way too easy to post. But you can check out my Instagram to see how I achieve this afro ponytail. So as usual, I'm starting with my WetnWild PhotoFocus foundation, which is perfect for that flawless base. And then I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation as a highlight. It's actually very yellow. I saw this on an Instagram video and I really wanted to try it, so it was pretty good as a highlight. The only thing is that it dries down so quickly. I should have worked a lot faster with this foundation, but it covered really good because it is a full coverage foundation, so it looked really good. And as usual, I just always dust everything away with my Arista powder foundation. And I'm contouring my nose as usual with my shade in Revolve or Evolve for my Morphe Dare to Create palette. And I'm using the same old blush, my e.l.f. blush in Brick Red. So I didn't bother to show it in the video. I'm basically using the same complexion products that I always do. Maybe I should switch it up a little more, guys. But as usual, I blend everything out with my fluffy brush from e.l.f. And I'm taking my WetnWild highlight. I think it's in the shade Crown of my Canopy, if I'm not mistaken. It's a really good highlight. And yeah, I'll list all the products in the description below. I'm also taking my Sahara Fix It spray just to set that base and make it look a little more natural. And I also took my Girl Pro.conceal in the shade Natural. I really took my time to blend this base out so it would be nice and even and not too patchy. I think this is a really good base because it dried down really matte and it didn't crease at all, so I really enjoy this as a base. Now I'm taking my Aliexpress palette. I think it's 35p palette, and I'm taking this bright pink shade and I'm packing it all over my lid with a flat brush. And now I'm taking a lighter pink shade, like a paler pink, and I'm applying this on the inner third of my eyelids. Yes, I'm applying my lids first before my transition because I wanted it really pink and like bright. So I really went in, and now I'm taking an orange shade from the same palette and I'm applying this in my crease. It's a really simple eye look. I use 3 colors on my eyes, but it's so easy. Oh my gosh. So I'm just blending out that orange shade all throughout my crease and just making sure it's really blended so it looks like cotton candy. And now I'm just refreshing my lid shade with the pink, just because the orange probably took it over a bit, so that's all I'm doing. And now we're going in with some very dark black eyeliner. And we're taking this orange shade. This is from a different palette. It's the Morphe 35S, I think. And I'm applying this on the bottom part of my eyes. I already applied eyeliner in my waterline and mascara to my top lashes. And I'm also taking a pink shade from that palette, it's all frosty, and applying it on my bottom lash line. So my upper lash line is like all matte eyeshadow, and my lower lash line is like glitter shimmery eyeshadow. Now I'm just applying my brown lip liner as usual to line my lips, and I'm taking this lipstick. I depotted it. It's Plumful from MAC. It's my favorite natural lipstick of all time, and I'm just placing this on my lips, and then I'll go in with a sort of purpley gloss and add that on top, and then I go in with my clear gloss, and that's basically the look all completed. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoy these cotton candy eyes and this all pink look. You can check out my most recent upload right here, or subscribe to my channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute?
Take me to girl, don't sit down. What's been happening? What's been happening? Take me to